What's up, Kenneth? Good to see you, bro. So Mike said, I'm wanting to start another challenge with MFF. What are your thoughts on starting a challenge in December given the holidays? Um, a lot of people have been asking about this. I think it is a common question as more and more people are trying to get funded. The thing with the challenge is it there's pros and cons to it, right? Going into these next couple of weeks, if I just flip over, I'm going to remove that. I'm going to flip over to Forex Factory just to show you guys something. If you just open Forex Factory and take a look at the next couple of weeks, this week should be okay for trading. We do have news, but we can trade around it. Next week, we have some FOMC on December 15th. Next week should still be good as well. It's really the next couple of weeks after that. Once you get into the week of December 20th, you get bank holidays going into Christmas. And then the week after Christmas, there's a ton of bank holidays going into the new year. Then that first week back of the new year, as you can see here, it's bank holidays in the beginning of the week, NFP at the end of the week. So really, you can't come back to great, consistent trading until January 10th. That choppy period, I would say, starts the week of the 20th. So it's a sustained period of time where it's going to be slower than normal, the slowest period of the year for sure, at least for the way that I trade. So I'm just giving you my opinion, everybody. But the reason I'm sharing this with you, Mike, is because if you go to take this challenge now and you don't get like let's say you're not in profit, you're going to have to redo that challenge come the new year. But if you can trade from today, which is December 6th, all the way through to December 20th, you could get half the challenge or 3/4 of a challenge done. And if they give you an extension, which I think MFF gives you an extension where FTMO makes you restart, but they'll let you do it for free. If you get that extension with them, that'll take you out into the new year. I think they give you 30 days. Check their website. And then from there, you would be trading once all this new stuff is done too. So I think if you do it with controlled risk, there's no reason to wait. If you asked me this in a week and a half, if you asked me this on December 16th, I'd be like, yeah, just wait. We have so much news and bank holidays, there's no reason to start it then. But you could still get, like I'm showing you, a week and a half, 2 weeks of good trading in before all the bank holidays hit.